Hey everybody, Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising. We have made it to Galveston, one day away from our cruise tomorrow on Adventure of the Seas. It's probably a little loud out here with all the traffic and everything. But right now, we're gonna go get something to eat, then we'll come back, we'll check out the hotel, show you guys where we're staying. But right now, it's time for food because I'm hungry. We're hungry. You got a big old shark. You want to jump in there? No. No? All right, well, the spot we thought we were gonna go to is kind of far down the way there. So I think we're gonna go over here to Bubba Gump's Shrimp Company, which is right here on Pleasure Pier. And come up here and get something to eat. You can always stop in for the Bubba Gump gift shop here. It says run, Forrest, run on the floor. All right, go up there and get it. Do what, baby?
I didn't want to cut in front of anybody.
They're even playing Forrest on the TVs. It says stupid is, stupid does. Forrest Gump on the TV. Up the stairs we go. Whatever works best for you. That view. You can run, Forrest, run. What do you think?
I think that's pretty accurate. I remember there's some reason for those. I just don't remember what
So what'd you order, baby?
it is. A Jenny's Surf and Surf.
What's a Jenny's Surf and Surf?
It's grilled salmon and grilled shrimp.
Grilled salmon and grilled shrimp.
Grilled salmon and grilled shrimp.
I don't know what I said. All right, I went with the burger. I'm not a big seafood eater, so I'm gonna do the burger. She's gonna have seafood. But you know what? It's right across the street from the hotel, so walking distance. What do you think, baby?
I think it looks really good.
We'll eat it.
I'm going to.
All right, so we finished eating lunch, and then we decided to come walk over here, take a look at the ocean behind us. You can see Pleasure Pier behind us right here. A little chilly out here today, not too bad though. It'll be much warmer. It's supposed to be 83 degrees in Cozumel when we get there on Wednesday. So really looking forward to the nice warm weather. But we're gonna head back over, get checked into the hotel. Just to give you guys a point of reference, the hotel is just right there at the Clarion Point and right here at the ocean. Now we're on the seawall side here of Galveston, so the cruise port is going to be all the way on the other side over there, but it's still only a few miles from here. But over here on this side you have a lot of restaurants, a lot of shopping you can do. As I said, the beach is right here across the street, so it's still real convenient to the cruise port. Alrighty, and this is going to be our room. Got a full-length mirror. Hello. Yes, I'm looking goofy. We were traveling today. I'm coming here to the main room. You got Tiffany over there on the bed. But it does have a king-size bed. Each one of the nightstands, they actually got quite a bit of power here. If you take a look, you got USB ports, power outlets. Down here on the dressers also has power outlets and USB ports. Even up here on the lamp, there's a USB port. So plenty of places to plug in USB items. Of course, you have your TV, microwave, refrigerator, some drawers. Has a nice desk area here for working, a chair, I guess a place to put your luggage. Even has an ironing board in here and an iron if you need to iron. But this dresser also here also has USB ports here, USB ports up there on the lamp. Lots of USB ports, just kind of give you a quick tour. Now this room is nothing special. I said for this room here, it was only $59 a night, but it's got a decent little view right there of Seawall Boulevard. You can see the ocean. Pool is right below us. But if you just want to sit up here in your room in the evening, watch the ships out there, watch the ocean, you have that. We'll take a quick look at the bathroom. It's got a decent little shower. Let me hit a light here. There we go. All right. It's got a nice shower. It does have shampoo and conditioner built into the wall there. It looks like there should be a third one for body wash, but it's not there. And little sink, plenty of towels, big mirror, hair dryer. I said for $59, it's not a bad little room.
No.
Said for $59, you know, it's not a bad little room. It'll work for the night. Said we're only here the one night, and then we're gonna head over to the cruise terminal in the morning. So said this will work. And I said $59 plus tax. The whole thing came out to about $70 is what the total is going to be. They do offer cruise parking here. They charge $10 a day for cruise parking. However, and I'll show you guys when we go outside, the parking lot's a little sketch. It's not really secured, and they don't offer any kind of transportation from here to the cruise terminal. So I can't recommend it for being a cruise parking hotel, just a inexpensive hotel fairly close to the cruise port that you can either drive over to or Uber over to first thing in the morning. All right, let's go check out the rest of the hotel. All right, so we're up here on the 4th floor. Got a little seating area over there, just to, that way you can sit up here and take a look at the view. Down over here. You ready?
Yeah.
Right. These elevators may be possessed. Doors just opening and closing. All right. Well, they said this hotel was recently renovated. I don't know. Lipstick on a pig might be a better phrase. What do you think, hon?
It's not a bad hotel, though.
Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad little hotel, but that's it. Elevators are a bit suspect. They're noisy. That much is for sure. Which way you want to go, baby? I guess let's go this way. All right, we're gonna head up towards the lobby. They got bathrooms down here in the lobby. And they do have a little place in there where you can get some snacks, some drinks, a couple little sundry items in there. They have a restaurant area over here. They got a bar. This is where they serve their breakfast in the morning. Oh, got some fish. All right, this is where they put you for cruise parking. Back here. Like I said, I don't know, there is a camera back here, but I don't know how comfortable I would feel about leaving my vehicle back here for a week. The entrance is right there. You can just walk right on it in. So like I said, it's not very secured, but it is $10 a day if you want to leave your vehicle here. Just remember, no transportation to the cruise port. There is a small fitness area here as well. It's got some cardio machines, some free weights, some yoga mats. Gonna get your sweat on?
No, not today.
Not today? Okay.
We'll get that with the ship.
All right. Travel day is over. Starting to get a little towards the evening time here. It's been a long day for us today. Unfortunately, our dogs did wake us up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, we've been up for quite a while. Drove here to Galveston. You know, we went and ate lunch. We did go over to Seawolf Park and watch Liberty of the Seas depart. We did a video on that back at the hotel. We just went down next door here and got some fast food for dinner. And I think we're going to go ahead and wind it down and get ready to call it an evening, because tomorrow is embarkation day. We want to be well rested, get plenty of sleep. If I can, I always get real excited right before we cruise. But I'm going to try anyway. I said, being a real long day, I bet I can get some sleep tonight. So we're going to go ahead and end this here for today. We will pick this up again tomorrow morning. That way you guys can follow along with us for embarkation day. All right, y'all have yourselves a great day. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas tomorrow.